Hey guys, I'm showing you this High Super 45 watt European travel plug adapter. So it's a 2-pack dual port fast USB-C wall charger. So they are the wall charger, and this also comes with a 3.3 feet USB charging cables for US to European for iPhones or the Android. So it's a lightning cable as well as a USB-C cable with a 2-pack, and it's a 45 watt fast charging. So this is basically a very nice thing. So let's open it and see. So this I received for test and try. So let's try this. So you can see a USB and a USB-C port here. So basically you can charge two devices at one time. All the ratings are provided here, and it's a 45 watt. So it's of course is a fast charging. So these cables are provided with it. So just open this. So this is a lightning cable. So these are for the iPhones, and this one goes here. So the other cable is a USB to USB-C. So this can be used on the other adapters. So as the adapter have a USB and a USB-C, so you can of course use it the way. And so I put in the charger in a travel adapter because this is a European charger, and this is not the US one. So I put it, it goes really fine. There is no issue in putting it, and it starts charging a USB-C charging port here. So the cable quality and this adapter quality is good, and then it fits really well with the European plugs. So you can take it with you. And this also charge iPhone with the lightning cable. So that I'm charging two devices with this, and you can see a USB-C and a lightning adapter here. So both charging fine with both USB-C and the USB plug. So it's basically a very nice design and can be used for the European to charge dual system with USB-C and the lightning.